Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I wanted to share with you guys the mini album that I received back from Deborah Adams, and I will link her channel in the description box so you can go and check her out. She's amazing at her crafting, and she comes up with some beautiful designs. So we had a swap, a mini album swap. It was a Christmas mini album, and I shared the one that I made for her. I shared that one on my channel already, and I've already gotten hers back. But I wanted to show you the little Christmas thank you card that she sent me. Isn't that just adorable? I think I'm gonna save this card, guys. You know, we reuse everything, so it is just so adorable. I love it. It is so pretty. I love vintage. So anyway, there is the card that she sent me thanking me for the swap. And here is the mini album that she sent me. Guys, this is so adorable. I just love, I really have not, the only thing I've done is taken it out of the clear plastic that it was in. And that's all I've done. But it is so cute. I just love, I'm not sure what paper line this is, but it is so adorable. It looks like she has added, I'm thinking that she added it on there, some either stickles or some glitter here to the little snowflakes. And you know, throughout there's the tree, and these look like they I don't know if it's ephemera or she fussy cut, but look at this little Santa. Oh, she may have, I don't know what she did, but this little Santa Claus is so cute. He's kicked back, he's relaxing, you know, by the tree. And anyway, Christmas memories are forever. This is so pretty. Thank you so much, Debbie. I just love it. And this right here, this trim, it looks like trim. It is, you know, like some kind of fabric trim, and I don't know if it came with this gold in it or not, but it is so pretty. It goes very well. Oh, you know what, it may be this trim right here. It may be this one. Yep, it's this one right here. Anyway, so the spine is really pretty. I love that pattern. It's so pretty. And so yes, this is the same trim that she used for the closure. That's what this is. One is on this side and the other half is on that side. And this is the back. Very pretty. So let's open this up and see what it looks like on the inside. I have been so busy, guys. I got this, I don't know how many days ago, maybe 5 days ago. But I had been so busy. You know, I'm sure everyone else has too. But this is the first free moment I've had to really, you know, open it up and take a look. So this is her first page, and it looks like she's got a pocket here. Oh, and it flips. She has made some mats out of probably the cut parts. That's so pretty. I love that. And then on this side, have yourself a merry little Christmas. She has made, oh, she's made like a little booklet here in the shape of a tag. That's so pretty. And then look at that. Isn't that pretty? Big pocket. That is so cool because I can put extra, you know, pictures in there. And then this, it flips open. Look at that. That is so pretty. And then she covered the connector pieces with some paper, and that's so cool. I can put pictures on this side and on this side. That's really cool. Put one down here. Plenty of room, it looks like. And this page has that 25 with the glitter around it. And I really don't know if she glittered it, or if she glittered it, man, she's got a steady hand. But that is so pretty. Another cut apart, I'm assuming from the collection. And I just love that. That's so cute. Holiday fun. And this has a little tab at the end. And yep, it is a magnetic closure, so this opens up this way. And this page, I don't know if it's a pocket. No, it doesn't look like it, but I can put a photograph here, and actually I can put 2 of them on there, really. And then this one opens down. Oh, and you can't see that. So this one opens down this way. And this is a belly band. That's so cute. This is a belly band, and these are the little inserts that are in there. These are, you know, they have the tabs at the end. That's so pretty. That is so cute. That's a neat idea. Big old belly band. And then they slip back in this way. I think it's easier to put it in through this way, but that's so pretty. Oh, I just love this. And then, of course, it's got the magnetic closure. And then we flip the page, and this, oh, that is so cute. That's a little like accordion style place for pictures. That's so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at that. This one has acetate. So yep, there we go. The picture goes in right here, and it's got an acetate window. That's so pretty. I'm gonna have to copy that or something. And again, it closes with a magnet. And then here's another one, and this one also has a magnetic closure. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this one. Look at that. Oh, you know, the world map is one of my favorite you know, graphics from all the papers, and I just love that. And then another one of my favorites are bingo cards. That is so pretty. And then again with the acetate, that is so cool. That is just too cool, Debbie. And then that closes like that. And these are mats, it looks like. Oh yeah, okay. So these open up this way. That is so cool. Look at that. I don't know if that was meant to be like that, or maybe it's just me wanting it to be like that, but here we go. There we go. So a photo mat for 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. She says I can adhere these down and cut down. Oh, that's cool. Okay, got it. That's so cool. She sent me little instructions. That's good. And that I'm going to tuck that in there. And this again closes with a magnet. And then this side of the page opens this way. And there's a little pocket right here, guys. And then this page, that's so pretty with the banners. And it opens this way. I want to say it opens again, but no, I'm not going to try it. Oh, I see what it is. These are inserts as well, like mats. Okay. Oh, that's cool. She put little mats on there. And there's a pocket right here, guys. That is so cool. And the mats just slide right in like that. That's so cool. And then so the Christmas countdown, that is so pretty. I like this page. Deborah, I don't know what collection that is, but that's so pretty. And then she cut these out. I'm sure they're from the collection. Or nope, these are stickers. And that is so pretty. I'm beginning to think that the collection has the glitter on there already. So anyway, and picture can go right here. Look, we can even tuck it in. Oh, sorry guys. We can tuck a picture in right here. That is so pretty. Love it. Thank you. Just love that. And then we flip the page, and this one looks like it opens. Maybe it's a pocket. There, it is a pocket. There's a little mat right there. It has to be a pocket. There we go. It is a pocket. Look at that. And that's a magnetic pocket. She uses probably some very strong magnets. And then this one is a pocket as well. So we can put pictures here and here. And then it opens this way, and she's got a little booklet right there. Look at that. That's so cute. And then that just tucks down in here. And then this one has another mat, and that one opens up as well. Photograph right here. You know, really, we take so many pictures. Some of them have way more background than they need to. So we can actually, I can cut them down and, you know, and make them fit right there. Yeah. All right, guys, that's such a cute little page. And then on this side, she's got a pocket, a slanted pocket. And again with the acetate. Woman, you're giving me so many ideas with this acetate. And then a picture can go in there. That's so cute. I love that. You know, I could actually put one on the back if I wanted to. And then that goes in there. And then this flips open. That's cool. And then here's another one. There's another little pocket. And here's another window for a picture. That's so cute. And that tucks in there. And then on this side, she put a couple of cut aparts. And I think she backed it up. Yeah, she backed it up on some more paper. That's so cute. I like that. And then those tuck right in here. I don't know if this one, yeah. Those tuck right in there. This opens up. And here's some more. Oh, I just love that. Oh my goodness, I love that one. So that's tucked in that spot and this one in this spot. I love that. And then this one's a pocket and it has a couple of picture mats. And then here's another pocket with a bigger, oh yeah, with a bigger one. Oh, that is so cute. I love the 2 pockets on 1 page. I just love that. Really, really cute. Love that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is so adorable. Love those. And then that closes up that way. And then this one opens up. I want to say, I don't know if that's a pocket, a side pocket, but that opens up this way. I want to say that, no, this one's the one that opens up. So this one is a pocket and she's put some more cut aparts in there. Look at that, guys, the way she used the tags, the gift tags. That's so cool. That's a great idea. Okay, in the middle we can build a snowman. That's so pretty. Love that. And then this opens this way. And then we have a couple of more mats on this side. So pretty. And then they tuck in there. And look at this, guys. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. And then it opens this way. This is a photo mat. Oh, and I can take that out. That's so cool. These are little tuck spots here. I don't know if you could see that. Those are little tuck spots. Oh, that's neat. And then again with the cutest ever Santa Claus, and then a couple of picture mats. That's so pretty. I hope I'm not missing anything, Deborah. Pretty. And then this is another side pocket, and this one has 3 mats that slide out this way. And then she even put the dimensions on the photographs that fit there. That is so pretty. Love that. Let me see. How did I take this out? Oh, okay. I didn't have these even. They go right there. So super cool. The little snowman. Oh, I just love him. And then she did use a striped green and red with white striped on each little gusset here. So that's really cute. I love that. And then on the last page, oh, isn't he adorable? Look at that. That he flips open. There is a little pocket here with some cut aparts. So pretty. I like that. Oh my goodness, I love this paper. And then they tuck right back in there. And then these open up. Very, very pretty. Love that combination, the green and the red like that. And then she covered this with the pretty paper there. There we go. And then what is this? This is so cool. This is some acetate. And I don't know if it's a pocket. No, it's just December on acetate. That is so cool. Deborah, if I have missed anything, let me know. But then I'm going to go over it again. This is just the first Passover. I hadn't seen it yet. And I love this little calendar. You know, that's so cool. I really like that. But anyway, there we go, guys. I just love the little album. Oh my goodness, it's so adorable. Deborah, thank you so much for the swap. I appreciate you very, very much. I love it, and I am going to fill it with pictures this Christmas. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. Now, I will talk to everyone later. Have a fantastic holiday season.